Hello everyone. Welcome to this episode of Agricultural Mini Tutorial. Today, we will walk you through the test flight inspection procedures after unboxing a new agricultural drone. The specific test flight procedure is as follows. 1. Check the network of the RC and verify whether the network signal is working properly. 2. Install the battery on the aircraft, then short press and long press the battery to power on the aircraft. 3. Open the Agri Assistant app and verify the firmware and hardware versions of the drone. Verify whether the app version, aircraft firmware, and other firmware are the latest compatible versions. 4. Check whether the stick mode is correct. American mode is recommended. 5. Configure the aircraft safety protection settings. Open the Agri Assistant app, tap Settings in the upper right corner, select Aircraft, and check whether the actions for spraying complete action, task complete action, protection action for RC loss connection, and return to home are set correctly. It is recommended to set spraying complete action to hover, task complete action to hover, protection action for RC loss connection to hover, and return to home action to land. Then select Battery to configure low battery level protection. It is recommended to set the low battery level protection threshold to 30% with the action set to alarm. It is recommended to set the severe low battery level protection threshold to 20% with the action set to return to home. 6. Check the spraying system. Open the Agri Assistant, tap Begin, tap Settings in the upper right corner, and select Work. Tap the Start button next to Droplet Test and move the atomization particle size slider to check whether it changes accordingly. Tap the Start button next to Spray Test and move the corresponding slider to check whether it changes accordingly. 7. Unlock the aircraft. Taking American mode as an example. The up and down movement of the left stick controls the aircraft's ascent and descent. The left stick controls whether the aircraft rotates clockwise or counterclockwise horizontally. The up and down movement of the right stick controls the aircraft's forward and backward movement. The left and right movement of the right stick controls the aircraft's left and right movement. It is recommended to always keep the tail of the aircraft facing yourself during flight. 8. Check whether the aircraft indicator lights are displayed correctly. In standby status, the blue light stays on continuously. During flight, the red light indicates the nose of the aircraft and the green light indicates the tail of the aircraft. A flashing red light indicates a low battery alarm. That concludes this plant protection quick guide. Follow the TopXGun channel to unlock more professional plant protection skills.